Yes, we are in the garage, but we are professionals.
Oh, I see. I see what you're doing. You just turn it back up.
Oh yeah, because what you want, you don't want it to, it's going to splatter like mud, so.
There goes the bird.
Go slow, get her lined up. It's going to splatter like crazy. Just watch my grease. That chin, it just scares the shit out of it. How's the level? Glad we found this when I use the crowbar. Got better control of it.
Yeah.
And all I ever hear is a pop me in my face.
Yeah, it splattered like crazy.
Notice the heavy-duty gloves Dan is wearing.
Yeah, it takes gloves, but
Yeah.
when I was young, they used to do this shit barehanded.
Oh.
Yep.
Right. I used to walk to school in 5 feet of snow.
Yeah.
Feel both ways.
We're about there.
You're half in.
You just have to go really slow. And see, the bird cools the grease down quite a lot when it goes in. How's the level?
You're 4 inches from the top.
Yeah, I think you're going to be fine.
You're just about in there, too.
Our garage is going to smell like turkey. Maybe that steam will help the garage door opener track smooth out a little bit. It's getting a heat treatment.
Okay, we're in. Pop that lid on there.